it's the hurt we never wanted. What we wanted, we never got. And it's the missing that will kill you. Knowing that you missed your shot. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. This song is pretty specific to one guy who, I don't know his real name because I think it's like Nime something. It's like not a real YouTube name on YouTube, but who requested this. So if you guys have requests, let me know, because this one's like, this was hard for me to find this like song and stuff. I can only find the song on YouTube. So yeah, but if you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. So this is how to play Lost Your Shot by Gontier, I think. Anyway, it's a great song. I'm going to teach you a very simplified way to play this, because he does lots of other stuff. And I think, and I play guitar and sing all the time, I think it's kind of hard to strum it and sing the song at the same time. So I'm going to show you guys like an easy way to do it. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and please request more songs in the comments, all right? So for this song, it's in standard tuning. You don't need a capo, all right? You're going to do C, so ring. I'm sure this guy knows how to do these chords because he's got to be pretty good. But you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then your your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay? What you're going to do then after that is you're going to do C over B. So you're going to lift all your fingers off except for your pointer finger. So that stays on the 1st fret on B. And then you're just actually going to put your middle finger, all right, on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, then the next one you do is, then you're going to lift it so that you're mostly anchored in this. Actually, you are for the verses except for the bridge, but you're anchored in this C chord here. So after you do C over B, then you're going to do A minor 7. Okay, so then you lift that off. Remember, you keep your pointer finger here, and you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. Okay, so you're going to do that. All right, and then after that, you're going to do F major 7. It's kind of, well, some people just call it F, but it's not the real F. But anyway, so you keep your pointer finger on their 1st fret on the B string, and then you're just going to go sequentially in strings. So you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the D string. Okay, you're also going to use G. So this is the G that he uses. You can use this one too, it sounds basically the same. But this is the G that Gontier uses in his video, okay? So you're gonna do pinky finger goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, you're also gonna use D minor, I think it's just D minor. Let me look at my notes. Yep, D minor. Okay, so what you're gonna do for this one is ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the little E string. And I don't want to feel this again. Okay, that's where you play that for the bridge. So anyway, I'm going to walk you through it now. And again, this is a simplified strumming pattern because his is hard to play and sing at the same time, I think. But he does it, so what do I know? So you're going to do C over B, A minor 7, F, C over B, A minor 7, and then this is really F major 7. So you're going to play that twice with no lyrics. You're just going to go down, down, up, down, 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 up. Did you hear me? So you say, did you hear? And hear me is where you do C. Did you hear me when I said I can't take? Okay, take is C over B. Take it anymore, I won't be. Okay, B is where you do A minor 7. Be your, see, I won't be your mat. Okay, and then you do lying is where you do F. Lying on, okay, sorry, it's actually on. Lying on the floor, do you miss this is C. Miss me when you think of me. Lying is C over B. Lying all alone. Did you really is A minor 7. Really think my heart is made of stone. And then you go to the chorus, you go to G on stone. Stone. It's the hurt. Okay. I forgot to say you do A minor as well in this one. So for A minor, it's the same thing as A minor 7. You just put your ring finger on the 2nd fret on the G string. So you do G on stone. It's the hurt. Hurt is A minor. Hurt we never wanted. Wanted is F. Then you do G. What we wanted. Wanted is A minor. Wanted we never got. Got is F major 7. G. It's the missing. Missing is A minor. Missing that will kill you. Kill is F major 7. G. Knowing that is A minor. You missed your shot. Shot is F major 7. You're gonna do that. Ring out on the strums, and you're gonna go into C. You know I heard you when you said you can't take me anymore. Okay, so then your second verse is the same as the first one. Now the only other thing you need to know for this song is when you play the bridge, he goes to D minor, not D minor 7, sorry, D minor. You do the same starting pattern, down, down, up. So you do D minor 7. And I don't want to feel. Okay, feel is where you do G. Feel this again. D minor. We're running in circles. When is G? When will it end? So he does that, lets it ring out for that part, okay? And anyway, that's not even actually how he plays it, but it's close to. The last part I was doing is not how he really plays it, okay? But anyway, so let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I hope that was good enough for you, man. I did my best for you on this song. So anyway, let me know if you have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.